Ever dreamed of creating your own 3D animated movie but thought it was too expensive or complicated? What if I told you that you could make a stunning animated story, just like the one you're watching, for free, using only AI tools? Today, I'm going to show you the entire workflow step by step, from a simple idea to a finished film. This is a complete game changer, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the skills you need to become an AI-powered storyteller. Let's get started. Our journey begins with the heart of any good film, the story. For this, we'll turn to our creative partner, ChatGPT. I'll show you how to craft the perfect prompt to generate not just a compelling narrative, but also the detailed scene descriptions we'll need for our animation. Think of it as writing a script and a shot list at the same time. For example, you can ask it to write a short story about a lonely robot finding a friend, and then ask it to break that story down into 5 specific visual prompts for an AI video generator. The key is to be descriptive. Instead of who's a robot, you'll want a small, round, metallic robot with large, expressive blue eyes, sitting alone in a futuristic, neon-lit alley. This detail is crucial for the next step. Once our script and prompts are ready, we need to give our characters a voice. We'll use a free tool called TTS Maker. This isn't your old robotic text-to-speech. TTS Maker offers a huge variety of natural-sounding voices. You can choose different genders, accents, and even emotional tones. Simply copy the dialogue from your ChatGPT script, paste it into TTS Maker, select the voice that best fits your character, and download the audio file. It's that easy. Pro tip: generate a separate audio file for each line of dialogue. This will make editing and syncing much easier later on. Now for the magic, bringing our scenes to life. We'll be using Hyper AI, an incredible free tool that can generate high-quality 3D animations from text. Take those detailed prompts we created with ChatGPT and paste them into Hyper AI. For our example, we'd input a small, round, metallic robot with large, expressive blue eyes, sitting alone in a futuristic, neon-lit alley, animated in a cinematic 3D style. Hyper AI will then work its magic and generate a short video clip. Repeat this for all your scenes. Don't worry if they're not perfect on the first try. You can regenerate or tweak your prompts until you get the exact look and feel you want for your story. Our animation has visuals and a voice, but how do we make our characters actually speak? This is where lip syncing comes in. We'll use a fantastic tool called Lalamu, which is conveniently available as an app within Canva. First, you'll need a clear shot of your character's face. If your Hyper AI generation doesn't have one, you can use an AI image generator like Leonardo or Midjourney to create a still image of your character. Upload this image and your voiceover audio file to Lalamu. The AI will analyze the audio and perfectly animate the character's mouth to match the words. The result is incredibly realistic and brings so much personality to your animation. We've got our story, our voiceover, our animated scenes, and our lip-synced characters. It's time to put it all together. We'll use CapCut, a powerful and free video editor that works on both desktop and mobile. Start by importing all your assets: the animated clips from Hyper AI, the voiceover files from TTS Maker, and the lip-synced videos from Lalamu. Arrange the animated scenes on your timeline to follow the story. Layer the voiceover audio underneath the corresponding scenes. For the speaking parts, use CapCut S, masking or cutout tools to place the lip-synced head onto your animated character S body. The final touches are what make a project feel professional. Browse CapCut's library for background music that matches the mood of your story. Add some subtle sound effects, like footsteps or ambient city noise. You can also apply color grading filters to give your entire film a consistent, cinematic look. And there you have it, a complete, professional-looking 3D animated story created from scratch using nothing but free AI tools. We went from a simple idea in ChatGPT to a fully edited film in CapCut. The power to create is literally at your fingertips. The only limit is your imagination. I can't wait to see the amazing stories you'll come up with. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more AI filmmaking guides. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.